Alright, welcome back everybody to another weekly recap. So today I'll be covering two trades. One which is on 6th November and another one I believe is on 10 November. So, good news, I found my webcam, so we'll probably be using it next video. So yeah, let's just jump right straight into it. So, firstly, as per usual, we have a 5-minute break shown on the 1 minute after price expands and slightly consolidated here, and I managed to mark out the 15-minute external liquidity sweep. And price came back down, sweep this area, and I made the order block out. And in this area is slightly consolidating, which this is the tap in. And after price came back down again and hit my retest, which hit my buy limit. And after I set my SL below this low to cover the order block, and I think slightly around this lows over here. And yeah, just my normal 6 pip SL. And for Thursday today, I only wanted to target 2% because I have already reached my total of 5% for the week. So I don't want to risk or target too much when I can target a normal 1:3 or just zoom all the way out to target a normal. Is there no extra liquidity point? Which is all the way back here, which I won't target. So I just go ahead and target a normal 1:2 to end of the week because on Friday I don't usually trade. So end of the week green. And so we move on to the next week, which is this week. And unfortunately, I took a loss, which is pretty unfortunate. And as you guys can see, a very, very unfortunate loss. So as per usual, we have a 5-minute break. After breaking, price expands, slightly consolidated a bit while maintaining bearish structure, and sweep this area. I initially thought that price would create order block in this area, but nope. It came back down, sweep this external liquidity point which I already previously marked out, and price absolute wicked myself. So I decided to look over here for my OB instead of here, when if I'm not wrong there's an order block which I'll later show. But I entered off of here, again slightly consolidating. There's multiple retests on the order block, which is tap in, retest, second retest, third retest, fourth retest, multiple retests. So I enter on this, and sadly price came down and decided to wick my SL by 0.5 pips. So it's a probability loss because I set my SL at 7. If I were to sell at 6, it will also hit my SL. But if I sell at 8, which is an unusual range, I would have hit full TP. So again, not the worst trade, but not the best. And it's an expected loss. So after it hit my buy limit, came all the way down, hit my SL. So I will just show you guys if there's an order block here, which is after this external sweep. So an order block would be usually around here. It's usually the expansion. You can call it this. And price doesn't give me an order block unless you're talking about this. So even if price didn't wick me out of here, which means I didn't enter here, I waited here instead, I wouldn't have caught the entry. So yeah, not much in this trade to explain about except for price wicking me out, and that's pretty much for this weekly recap. And let me just go through this week's news. So as you can see, on Monday is where I took the loss, which is yesterday. So it's a no news day, so it's a tradable day, but took a loss. Tuesday, which is today, we'll be most probably avoiding it since it's a bank holiday. Wednesday, another trading day, we'll be trading. Thursday, it's multiple news stacked, unemployment claims, CPI, and even GDP news, GDP. But it's all tentative, so I'll probably be waiting for this to be confirmed, and it really depends what time I'll be trading. And we move on to Friday. There's PPI, retail sales. So it really depends if I'm trading or not, because it's Friday and it's manipulation day and it's again tentative. So yeah, I'll probably be looking out for all this to be confirmed. And that's all for today. See ya, guys.